Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share my opinion on sheet masks and explain why they're damaging to the environment and how you can make your own. So sheet masks are damaging for so many reasons. Firstly, they produce so much waste because they're single use. Most of the packaging is largely non-recyclable. Even biodegradable masks are often coated with a silicone film. This means it prevents the mask from fully composting and can leak toxins into the soil and waterways. So you can see why I've ruled out sheet masks completely. I made the conscious decision to start making my own, and I promise you the results have been incredible. So the reasons why I love this face mask so much is because it's basically made up of household ingredients. You can easily find everything that's included in this face mask, so you know exactly what's going into it. So it's completely organic, as well as feeling great on your skin. It makes my skin glow and feel so healthy after I use it. This is what I do to create my own sheet mask. First, I place the rice paper into the water and then cut it into a face mask. I soak it into the water so that it is nice and soft, so I'm able to cut holes into it. I use rice paper so much because it's biodegradable, and it's also great that the process used to make it is eco-friendly. For the ingredients, I use lemon, Manuka honey, apple cider vinegar, and yogurt. Lemon juice is an antioxidant that may reduce skin damage and premature aging. Lemon juice has high pH levels and can decrease oil on the skin. I use honey when my skin feels irritated. I find it benefits my skin when it feels oily. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it leaves my skin feeling moist but not oily. I use this high quality New Zealand Manuka honey that's known for its antibacterial properties. Apple cider vinegar is my lifesaver. It consists of acetic acid and alpha hydroxy acid. This means apple cider vinegar can exfoliate the skin, absorb excess oils, and unclog blocked pores. It also has the power to restore the proper pH levels to your skin. Yogurt is rich in zinc and contains probiotics that will help restore your skin's natural barrier. Yogurt has a natural antibacterial and antifungal properties and ensure glowing, healthy skin. I pop these ingredients together now onto the rice paper and massage them in with my fingertips to evenly distribute it. After a couple minutes of soaking, it will be ready to use. I drape the rice paper over my face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Instantly, my skin feels like it can breathe, and it literally only takes 5 minutes to make. It's definitely worth trying as it saved me time, money, and of course, most importantly, the planet. If you found this video useful, why not check out my other videos or head over to the Holland Barrett Health Hub. Thanks for watching.